Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have more cases. I can't speak to you on one of the cases because I don't know what it is. I do know that one of these cases is a case I've been waiting for, that everybody's told me that I needed to try, which has the AI autofocus lettering over the camera. So if you've seen that one, I've seen it with various names. So I don't want to call a specific name brand out. I will post link in the description to where I got this one from. But I don't know which is in what box because they came in. One came one day and one came on another day. So I believe this is the one with the AI autofocus on it. And this is the mystery one. I'm going to unbox them both on this video because we're just going to figure it out. So far on this case journey, I have unboxed 7 cases. Out of those 7, I have managed to keep 4 for various reasons. In no particular order. I had the frosted back kind of generic case that I paid $12 for. I had the Gear 4 Crystal Palace that was $50 at the time of purchase that I purchased from Verizon. I have the ARI Bonnet Diary case. That's the perfect work case. And so far the best case that I've had to date, in my opinion, for me, is the Rinky Slim case. I do have the Rinky Slim case coming in matte. I managed to order more than one of those, so I might be doing a giveaway soon to one of you lucky people with a fold. You know, just because I was impatient. I had one coming from Korea, but I managed to get one to get here sooner, right here in the United States. Why not share with the people who've been following me through my case journey? But I'm going to wait until it comes in because I don't want to make a promise and then not ever receive the case. So first up, I'm going to unbox the mystery case. I really don't know what it is. I'm not being funny with y'all. It's going to be a mystery to us both. So let's get started on this unboxing. Okay, as soon as I saw this through the clear packaging in all of its glory, I knew exactly what case it was. I did not receive a free case. This is a case that I ordered through AliExpress. And this is not for protection at all. This case was just beautiful when I saw it. And I was like, oh my God, that would look wonderful. Did you see that? Oh my God, that would look wonderful on my phone. It's got a marble kind of finish. I'm actually going to have to look this up and see what the name of this case is because I had automatically made the assumption that this was the one I canceled, but it's not. I did go into this looking for some more feminine looking cases for my Z Fold 2 because all the others are just so masculine. I do think it's going to clash a bit with the hinge. Let me get this on here. I don't see any kind of padding in here. Again, people, this is purely cosmetic. And shout out to Eric over at Easy Computer Solutions. He managed to show me how to do video wallpapers. Just me and Freddie. Video wallpapers on your actual regular screen. You see it's still running in the background. I will link to his video right in here so you can get that information if you kind of want to learn how to do those things. All right. So first impressions is there's a slight lip there. You can see it kind of glistens off the edge of that. So I'm pretty sure that my edge gestures are gonna be sucky. But again, this is one of those that it was purely for aesthetics.
Are you ready?
Back is beautiful. Again, this is gonna be like, hey, I'm going out kind of case. I'm not too disappointed in this purchase. I really have to look it up and see how much I paid for it. I think it's like 12 or 13 bucks. And like, I wasn't expecting it this soon. So clearly it came before it was supposed to get here. But again, I won't be carrying it until I go out somewhere because I'm not really going out anywhere soon. Cutesy case. I will link to it if some of you are interested. They have various patterns, and especially for all my female fold carriers, you might want a case that's a little more feminine. The cutouts are good. The charging port, your mics and everything line up as they should. just something that's kind of different, that hey, you're not always carrying this rugged case around. And I see this is the AI autofocus one as well, which a lot of people recommended. But I really think at least this edge, if you get your finger in there, you might be good, but I'm still feeling the wrinkly over this one. I do like how they felt obligated to apologize for the delay and how logistics were gonna run because it was coming from overseas. They really want you to leave them some great feedback. They put 2 of these in here. So that's the first case. What you think about this case, Shoutout? Okay, good enough for me. And again, that's that GKK. So definitely was suggested by somebody earlier this week. I said I'd order a couple of these. This is the more girly pattern one. And the next one is also the same, but it's not. Okay. It is not in a pattern. I think the next one I got is clear. How I feel about me unboxing inside again. It's cold outside. And let me also say, I think that last case came off better than expected because I think they listed it as tempered glass. And I've used tempered glass cases before, and people are like, oh my God, you might break your phone. I said, it's the same as a screen protector that's tempered glass. It breaks the tempered glass before it breaks your phone. But that, I don't believe is tempered glass. It's mostly plastic, and for what I paid, it's not a big deal. I feel like the struggle was real. I need to resharpen my unboxing knife or something. It's really not a good look right now. But as you can see, same company. So I would assume the fit is going to be about the same. Again, shout out to all my peeps that told me to try this case out. And it's clear, just like my wrinkly. Another question I got in my wrinkly video were about the dots that are in the case. They're just raised dots. They're not black. They're just clear dots. And they help with the phone gripping the actual case. I do think they're more apparent on this one though than I can the wrinkly. Everything's in. I will say ports look aligned fine. There is a lanyard holder down here. Look at there. The mics and everything are good. I can get to the fingerprint scanner just fine. Me and Freddie wave at you. There's the speaker up here at the top and the mic. What else do we test out on these things? Oh, of course, the gestures. For everyone who recommended this case over the wrinkly, I do think it's a bit more raised. Just my opinion. You have to just get your finger in there and pull out. Versus wrinkly, I think you just have to be more deliberate. So I wiped down the phone, and I want to give you this tidbit that was brought to you by bkdodger NYC. He comments in all of my Z-Fold 2 videos, and I want to thank him for this tidbit. He said to help out with fingerprints. Make sure you write this down. Listen real closely. I haven't done it with this case yet, but I definitely did it with my wrinkly. Wipe the outside of your case down with a little bit of car wax. Buff it on out, and when you notice the case is starting to pick up fingerprints again, repeat the process. This has helped me. I didn't use wax. I do have car wax, but I used the spray car wax because it was just quicker. I was on my way to work, but I did notice that my phone was not a fingerprint magnet that day. So shout out to him. Thank you, sir. I'll be using that on any cases that I get that are not matte, but I still wait my matte cases. I do enjoy those a bit more than these clear ones. You might get some smudges, but it's not anything to where it's as bad as it normally looks if you do not have the wax. I said I wasn't modifying any of my cases, and I don't consider that a modification. When people were telling me, hey, just cut this part of the case off, you know, just put some more double-sided tape on there. People, I'm not putting double-sided tape, no matter how safe, on my expensive phone. You can do with your phone what you want. You know, I totally ripped the inside screen protectors off of this one, and I know a lot of people wouldn't do that. So, your phone, you do what you want with it. Like the 2 cases I unboxed today, I will be keeping them both. I am a caseaholic. I will add these to the collection of many cases that I have already. And my last case that is yet to come. Do y'all really want me to unbox the Rinky matte case? I really don't see a purpose in it. It's the same phone case. If you want me to, let me know. Please watch my follow-up, because that's how I'm going to handle this giveaway for the extra Rinky matte case I have. I will do a follow-up video because I've been working on my update. For everybody who's been asking, yes, my main sim is still in here. I shot a video, I just haven't had time to edit it yet. But this is still my main line. My main sim is still holding me down. I'm still enjoying the fold. I cannot go back to a regular phone on my main line anymore because I'm ruined. I'd like to thank all y'all for dropping by, joining me on this case journey, hanging out with me and the children. Not the child, the children, right? And I hope you caught the first episode of The Mandalorian Season 2. I enjoyed it. It's been mixed reviews. I just think there's so much more to come, and I wasn't expecting a lot from the first episode like maybe some other people were. I won't be covering that on my channel, but, you know, I love the child for a reason. Y'all be safe out there. Have a great day. If you enjoyed yourself, like, comment, and even subscribe, you know? I try to keep up with tech. I like a little bit of tech in my life. Holla!